In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a progressive form in HubSpot in less than 2 minutes. This is an amazing feature for boosting user engagement, collecting more data without overwhelming visitors, and improving your overall marketing strategy. So let's dive in and set it up quickly and efficiently. First, head over to HubSpot's homepage. Once you're there, click on the login button at the top right corner. Enter your credentials to access your HubSpot account. After logging in, you'll land on your HubSpot dashboard. From here, navigate to the CRM section, the central hub that connects all your marketing, sales, and customer management tools. Inside the CRM, locate and click on Forms. This is where all your existing forms are stored and where you can create or edit new ones. HubSpot's interface makes it incredibly easy to use, even if you're not very technical. Now, select an existing form or create a new one from scratch. Once you've chosen a form, click Edit Form to open the form editor. This is where the real magic happens. Inside the editor, look for the option labeled Queued Progressive Fields. Click on it to open your progressive profiling settings. Progressive profiling is a smart HubSpot feature that lets you collect information gradually from repeat visitors. Instead of overwhelming users with a long form the first time they visit, you show them new fields each time, collecting more data over time. Once inside, plan out which fields you'd like to display progressively. After that, simply drag and drop the fields into your desired order. HubSpot's intuitive interface makes rearranging and customizing your form quick and effortless, and that's it. In just a few clicks, you've created a progressive form in HubSpot, helping you gather more valuable insights while keeping the user experience smooth and engaging. Before going live, don't forget to save your changes and test your new form to make sure everything works perfectly. Enjoy your new optimized data collection system and happy form building.